at taking the what we've seen on the first day. He rattles up the rifle so it doesn't bounce off the railings or the walls. But rough guide, a shot away. Seconds is very good. Oh yes, on the button. 20 seconds on the button for the sniper. The assaulters through the door. 5 rooms, 5 targets, 5 looked clean to me. The deadweight dummy is on the shoulders. 53.39 of Sarah, I don't think so. Quick across the line in 50 for China police team. Well, the assaulters in the kill house now. That little one looks happy. NYPD of the USA. A little bit of confusion as to who was going to... I think one of the assaulters just had a little bit of a delay. And they sprint back towards the finish line. And cross in 1:43.6 for the New York Police Department.